Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit note to an invoice in Xero. This is a useful process when you need to correct billing errors, issue refunds, or make adjustments to customer invoices without creating additional paperwork. Let's walk through it step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to login.xero.com. Once you're on the login page, type your Xero account email and password into the fields provided. After entering your credentials, click the login button to access your Xero dashboard. This will bring you to the main hub where you can manage all your accounting activities. Now that you're logged in, look at the top navigation bar and click on Sales. This will cause an expanded menu to appear, showing you various options related to your sales and customer transactions. From this menu, click on Invoices. This section is where all your customer invoices are stored and managed, making it easy to track payments and make necessary adjustments. Once you're in the Invoices section, locate and open the specific invoice you wish to apply a credit note to. Simply click on it and you'll be redirected to the Invoice Overview page. This page displays all the details of the selected invoice, including the customer information, items listed, amounts, and payment status. Take a moment to review these details to ensure you're working with the correct invoice. Now, to apply this invoice as a credit note, look for the three vertical dot icon on the top right corner of your screen. This icon typically represents additional options or actions you can take. Click on it, and an expanded menu will appear with several choices available to you. From the selection presented, click on Create and Apply Credit. This action will redirect you to a new credit note page, but here's the convenient part. The note will be pre-filled with all the information from your original invoice being transferred into a credit note format. This saves you time and reduces the risk of manual entry errors. Take some time to review each section and field carefully. Check the date, the credit note number, and all the items listed along with their quantities, prices, and subtotals. It's important to ensure everything is accurate before finalizing. Once you're satisfied that all the information is correct, click on Approve. This will officially create and apply the credit note to the invoice, completing the adjustment process. And there you have it. You've successfully applied a credit note to an invoice in Xero, making your billing corrections clean and professional. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.